Hello.
Did a
Morning.
good job?
Thank you.
Hello.
Say hello. Uy, Dag. Say hi to Dag. It feels incredibly heartwarming when there are people who genuinely appreciate what you do. Their simple support, kind words, and appreciation give us extra strength and inspiration to keep going. So, thank you so much to everyone who continues to support and appreciate what we do. You may not realize just how much motivation and encouragement you give us. Because of you guys, we inspired to keep going, keep creating, and keep doing our best. This is day 9 of our journey to maintain the cleanliness and beauty of New Zealand. Today, we return with the same goal to pick up rubbish on the streets and parks. And a big shout out to these legends who support our videos. NZ Pinoy, Maymay D. Galang, Marky Doloso Ramirez, Romer, kay Breezy Manana, Official Alex, Leng, and Mimasor. Again, if you like this video, can we have your support by following, like, and share? Sharing this video is already a big help, and leave a comment so we can shout out you on the next video. See you on day 10. Thank you so much everyone.